Hello Gunpla fans, this is Joe of Joe's Gunpla with another video, and I've got family staying with me this week, so I'm trying to be kind of quiet. The parts here for Sandrock are not fixable, so I ordered a couple replacements from GentaiKits.com, and they are shipped. They should be here shortly. And then Sandrock will be done as soon as I paint those and top coat him. Next up is Shenlong. Did some painting on Shenlong yesterday. Let me get those parts out real quick. All that's left for painting on Shenlong, is going to be the white armor bits. But I wanted to show you, ran into yet another snafu. Not that arm, this arm. There's a focus. There's a crack right here on the shoulder joint. Different piece, different model, but we have another broken part. So this one I'm going to let go because the arm's just a little loose on the shoulder. And it's not too bad. If it gets to be a problem, I'll order a replacement, but until then, I think I'm just going to let this go. Originally, this was on the right arm, which holds the Dragon Fang, but I switched it over to the left arm, because I figured the shield would be held right at about torso height. Probably never too much higher than that. And I'm just worried about the shoulder not being able to hold a pose, with the arm up for too long. But we'll see how that goes. Anyway, that's my update for now. Until next time, happy building, and I'll see you guys later.